Hypertension means increase in the normal blood pressure levels. Classification of hypertension: we have systolic and diastolic BP. Normal is less than 120 and less than 80. Pre-hypertension is 120 to 139, diastolic 80 to 89. Stage 1 systolic is 140 to 159 and diastolic is 90 to 99. Stage 2 systolic is greater than or equal to 160 and diastolic is greater than or equal to 100. Types of BP or blood pressure measurement: we have conventional office BP measurement and out of office BP measurement. Under out of office BP measurement, we have home BP monitoring and ambulatory BP monitoring. Types of hypertension: the first one is white coat hypertension. There is increase in the BP when the BP is recorded in hospital or in a physician's clinic, but is normal when measured at home. The second one is masked hypertension. It is the reverse of white coat hypertension. That is, there is increase in the blood pressure when recorded at home. These individuals have high risk of organ damage. And the third one is paradoxical hypertension. This is seen in patients who are on antihypertensive drugs. Causes of hypertension: you can remember the mnemonic CAR. So C for coarctation of the aorta, A for aortic regurgitation, and R for renal dysfunction. So causes CAR. Other causes of hypertension include alcohol, drugs, steroids, and oral contraceptive drugs. Measurement of blood pressure. Clinical features of hypertension include transient headache, polyuria, palpitations, panic attacks, heavy apical impulse, systolic murmurs, diastolic murmurs, recurrent back pain, polycystic kidney disease. Complications of hypertension in the CNS, that is the central nervous system, there is ischemia, stroke, hemorrhage, and hypertensive encephalopathy. In the eye, retinopathy, non-inflammatory disease of the eye. The cause might be because of retinal hemorrhage. In the CVS, that is the cardiovascular system, there's angina, CAD, that is coronary artery disease, and left ventricular failure. Under renal, there is polycystic kidney disease, glomerulonephritis, and renal failure. Investigations include BMI, that is body mass index. We need to check the weight and the height of the individual. Normal BMI for the Asian population is from 18 to 22.9. Secondly, neurological examination, then blood tests, protein, blood glucose, urine analysis, fasting blood glucose levels, normal is 60 to 100, serum uric acid, serum cholesterol, electrocardiogram, and echocardiography. Management for hypertension. General measures include lifestyle modifications, regular exercise, control obesity, relaxation and meditation techniques, have low sodium diet, avoid smoking and alcohol intake, increase the calcium and magnesium intake. Pharmacological management includes antihypertensive drugs, that is diuretics like thiazide, loop diuretics, for example torsemide, and potassium sparing diuretics. Calcium channel blockers like verapamil and amlodipine, ACE inhibitors, that is captopril and lisinopril, beta blockers like labetalol and propranolol. Few pointers to remember. Hypertensive patients might experience muscle cramps due to decrease in the calcium and magnesium levels. Hypertensive patients must always take antihypertensive drugs prior to exercise. Exercises should be done during early morning or the late evening hours.